Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE and let me show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so let's change it by using the settings bar and just simply going to left to video. Here we are. Now let's go to right corner button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about video we can manage. Now let's move to left side and pick the settings to open them. Here in video mode, at the second place we have image stabilization option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And now let's move back to video preview. We have here also one extra way to stabilize our video better, so when we pick the second from the left button we can turn on steady video, another tap to turn it off. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.